Hello YouTube, this is the last creation I'll be able to make. This is the last handle. This one's faded. You can tell the difference between one that's not faded. This one hung outside. I put it so the flat sides were this way. This is off a little bit compared to the blade. But I did take a picture of what this looked like before I ground it off. Here was the original handle. We'll take a picture of which Mtech model number this is. It does fit the hand pretty good. Excuse me, use the old camera. This is what I had laying on the desk. And it's still got a little jimping left here, so I can hold this pretty good. So this is a workable knife. It's just not for looks. It's a actual stout little knife. And it's epoxied in there. Clear to here is how long it is. So, real short video on this one. I'd rather keep the talking short and give you more pictures. So, thanks for watching.